way to Singapore. Rumi's first trip. Mom's with us. Just boarding the flight. Singapore flight. Hello, Singapore. Let's go to belt number 30. Rumi, how was your flight? Did you have fun? This is 30. This is our belt. Karo, dance, 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 dance. Jumpy karo, jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Yeah. Oh, you look so cute. You even look cuter.
To discover.
Please welcome Academy Award-winning actor, Disney legend, and star of the upcoming Avengers Doomsday, the godparent of the Disney adventure, Robert Downey
Who we are having dinner with. There she is.
Guys, I eat. Okay? This is the proof that I eat. There is a pasta, there is chettinad, there is roti, chawal, there is wine.
This is so random. Why is there a Diet Coke and wine?
And sparkling water.
Finally boarding the ship together. We were here last night and now they are boarding. To find our room. Our luggages should be outside. We are 313 room. Welcome to the ship. Oh, there's the roller coaster.
Fasten the center strap buckle by passing it between the legs and then adjust. The life jackets are fitted with a light and whistle to help attract attention when in the water.
I can't believe Rumi is up. We've really tried our best.
This